is here. In our last video, we learned the sounds of all the alphabets from A to Z. Today we are learning blending of vowels and consonants. Let's begin. Let's start with vowel A. A, ma, am. A, n, an. A, t, at. Our next vowel is E. A, ma, in. A, na, in. A, t, it. Now let's try vowel I. E, ma, im. E, ma, im. E, t, it. Now it's time for vowel O. A, ma, on. A, na, on. A, t, at. Last vowel is U. A, na, an. A, na, an. A, t, at. Great job everyone. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.